Hey guys, the wait is finally over. A new leak has unveiled the official renders of highly anticipated Galaxy S25 lineup. As we inch closer to the Galaxy S25 official launch, a bunch of press images has surfaced online, offering a comprehensive look at the Samsung upcoming flagship. This latest leak is courtesy of the Android headline showcasing the S25 series in nearly every color, while trusted leaker Evenblast has corroborated the detail with additional renders. These leaks are not only revealed the color option but also highlighted key specification, giving us a clear picture of what the Samsung has planned. So let's start with the S25 Ultra. Available colors including titanium black, gray, silver blue and titanium white. The Ultra model features a notable design change, adopting more rounded corners, which are kind of a similar of the smaller models in the lineup. This marks a departure from the sharp corner design from the S24 Ultra, which was more aligned to the older Note models. Additional leaks suggest that there could be a 6.9 inch as compared to 6.8 inch of a screen size as compared to its predecessor. Apart from these tweaks, key elements like the camera layout and the S Pen slots appears unchanged from the last year. Moving towards the Galaxy S25 Plus, the design remains largely identical to the S24 Plus. It remains at 6.7-inch flat display and features a flat design on all sides. The camera system is expected to match the base model. The lead colors for the Plus models include the ice blue, mint navy, and a silver shadow, with additional options like blue, black, coral red, and the pink gold, likely to be available at the launch. Finally, in smallest model of the lineup, the Galaxy S25 appears to have undergone no significant change. It maintained the same flat 6.2 inches and the camera setup is going to be similar as compared to the last model. This model includes ice blue, mint, navy and a silver shadow color. Series will be bringing is the introduction of the Q2 wireless charging, similar to the Apple iPhone MagSafe technology. But however, there is a twist. You will need to purchase a magnet embedded case to fully utilize the feature. According to a renowned tipster, Ahmed has shared insight into the Galaxy S25 Ultra upgrade performance and cooling innovation. According to Ahmed, all the Galaxy S25 model worldwide will be featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring the consistency and the performance across regions. The Snapdragon 8 Elite offers a substantial leap in performance as the CPU has 38% improvement, GPU has 34% boost, and the NPU, which means that generative AI tasks 43% enhancement. This significant CPU upgrade is thanks to the new CPU cores that are coming in the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. And the performance is going to be improved, but there is a chance that we might actually going to see the heating issues in the S25 series. Thanks to Ahmed, he also mentioned that the new vapor chamber is going to be coming for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So this means that we are actually going to see less heat in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the performance is going to be much more enhanced. And other specification about the S25 Ultra will remain the same. We are going to see the 200 megapixel camera sensor on the back side. A 50 megapixel upgrade in the ultra wide camera department is in the rumor mill right now, whereas the other camera sensor are going to be remaining the same. Battery wise, it's going to be coming with a 5000 mAh battery similar to the last year S24 Ultra, and we are also expected to see the same 45-watt charging to be coming this year. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.